In today's video, we are going to be doing some technical analysis on REV. To get straight into it, so our next resistance line, or closest to where we are now, is around $9.50, as that is our second deviation on the 4 hour, with the next level resistance after there being around $10.50. If we continue even higher, we then have some resistance at around $12.10, and then $13.40. Now these are going to be the key levels. We really don't expect to see REV go past this $13.40 because we don't expect stocks to really push past their third deviation resistance. However, if it does, and again it's always a possibility, we will give you just some more levels as added resistance lines or even further out targets if you're looking to hold even further, and that would be $14.75 and $16.25, because those would be our fourth deviations on the 4 hour and the daily, and again our final resistances. Now to get into the support levels on REV, where will we be looking? We can see we're actually quite close to a support level to the downside because we actually broke through it again today. And looking on the daily, we can see our first deviation is currently sitting at $7.75, which would be our closest support levels. So if we go and check this intraday chart now, we can see we have our key support level at $7.75 and a key resistance at $9.50. So this will kind of gauge what direction the stock is going to go from here. If we break down below this $7.75, come back, retest it, selling pressure kicks in, and we continue down, then we would expect this move to kind of be finished and we just continue lower. Now if we break up to this $9.50, break a bit above it, and again come back, test it as support, see buying pressure step in, and we start moving up, we would expect a push to that next solid resistance line, which would be $10.50. Now support levels going even lower, what would they be? $6.85. And that would kind of be the key one. And then going even further down, we have a kind of final resistance around $5. Now why is this our final resistance? So that is statistical mean on the daily, the two closest statistical means to where we are now. And usually we only trade if we're holding the stock short, for example, down to this statistical mean, because once we come into this level, direction becomes unclear. So we really want to be selling out the stock here and just kind of closing our position and wait for it to push either up or down before looking to retrade it. But those are the key levels on REV. If you did enjoy the video and you want to see another small cap analysis video, check out this one here.